Hi friends, welcome to Insurance Decoder, and in this video I will tell you about the LIC Saral Jeevan Bima policy. This plan was launched on 16th April 2021 and this is one of the most awaited term insurance plan because the Saral Jeevan Bima policy was expected to be launched from 1st January 2021. However, despite due to certain premium related issues, this policy could not be launched and many of the insurance companies have launched and people were waiting from the LIC. So now LIC has launched the Saral Jeevan Bima policy. So in this video, we will get to know what are the features of this policy and what are the benefits of this plan and what would be the eligibility criteria to buy this plan. And thereafter in the next video, I will tell you if you want to buy this plan, how can you buy this plan online. So let's first see the features of this plan. They have said that this is a pure protection term insurance policy. As I already told that this is a term insurance policy. Term insurance policy means what? That means if the person or the insurance holder dies during the term of the policy, then the sum assured amount or the policy amount will be given to the nominee. And if the insurance holder does not die during the policy and he survives the policy term, then the family will not get anything and he will also not get anything. So this is the simple term insurance plan, which is generally called the pure protection plan, and this is considered the best form of the insurance. Don't ever think about those insurance plans where you feel like getting the maturity benefit and all these things. These are the kind of trap in the name of insurance. They are actually investment plans. And if you want to go for the investment plan, better go for the mutual funds and equity and FD and all these things, despite going to the insurance plan. So let's see the features of this plan. They said that you can buy this plan online from the LIC's website, which I will anyway explain in the next video how you can buy this plan online. Step by step I will explain, and that this is a pure term insurance plan. As I already told, no, you will not get anything if the person does not die within the policy term. Proposal on all life only. This policy cannot be taken in the name of father, mother or wife. This policy shall be purchased in own name only. A waiting period of 45 days is required. However, this waiting period is waived off if the death happens due to accident. Now go to the benefit. They have said that in case of unfortunate death, the sum assured amount will be payable to the nominees. And on survival, they have said that if the person survives, nothing shall be payable. That I've already told that since this is the term insurance plan, so there will not be any kind of maturity benefit, because maturity benefits are given in case of investment plans, and for the term plans the benefits are given only if the person dies during the term of the policy. Now let's go and see the eligibility criteria. As I have made a number of videos on Saral Jeevan Bima policy of different companies, and I have already also made a video on the guidelines on Saral Jeevan Bima policy. A detailed video was made, and all the terms and conditions across all the insurance company will be same, since this is a standardized term insurance plan. So minimum sum assured here will also be 5 lakh rupees and maximum sum assured will be 25 lakh rupees. So between 5 lakh and 25 lakh you can opt any amount depending on your financial income. And the minimum age at entry is 18 years, maximum age at entry is 65 years. So from 18 years till 65 years you can buy this policy, and maximum cover ceases as is 70 years. So once you attain the age of 70 years, the cover will not be there. Minimum policy term is 5 years and maximum policy term is 40 years. So if you opt at the policy at the age of 20, so you can cover yourself up to the age of 60. Premium can be paid either under regular premium. That means you will have to pay the premium till the policy ends, and you can also opt for the limited premium, or you can also opt for the single premium. In the single premium you will have to pay one premium only at the time of buying the policy. Thereafter you will not have to pay any premium. Eligible life, they have said that you can the person shall be on income proof, and one cannot propose for any person other than self. So only the self person can, and this policy is not allowed for housewives and pregnant female lives. Okay, so this policy is for earning persons only. You will have to provide some income proof, okay, to buy this policy mandatorily. For the income proof, they have said that if you are a self-employed person and your income is from the business, and for salaried person they have said that you will have to provide form 16 or latest 3 months salary slip. So for business, they have set this income computation of income, CUI, a certificate you will have to provide, and for salaried person they have to provide the form 16 or last 13 3 months salary statement, salary slip you will have to provide to LIC. And rental income, pension income, etc., they are saying that if you have rental income and pension income and you will not be eligible for that. And being a term insurance plan, proposal can be in declaration. So personal financial questionnaire you will have to fill. And as far as the cover is concerned, they have said that if your age is 35 years, then uh, you can take a maximum up to 12 times of your average last 3 years salary. Suppose if your average last 3 years salary is 2 years, you are average on an average earning 2 years every year. So for last 3 years is 2 year. So 2 multiply 20, 12. So 24 lakh cover you can get. So this is the eligibility criteria. After that, they have given the FAQs. If you have queries related to the Saral Jeevan Bima policy and term insurance policy, you can read these questionnaire. I'm putting the link in the description box. From that, you can read these questionnaire if you want to read. So these questionnaire are available, and generally in all term insurance policies you will get to know all these questionnaires, so you don't need to read it. Despite if you want to read, I'm putting this link on the description box. From that you can go and read these FAQs. So friends, I hope you liked this video and you got to know about the terms and conditions and the eligibility criteria benefits of the Saral Jeevan Bima policy of LIC. In the next video, I will discuss about the about how you can buy this buy this policy online, and then we will make a video on since many insurance companies have already launched their Saral Jeevan Bima policy. So we will make a comparative video where we will discuss which Saral Jeevan Bima policy is good, and which policy provides the cheap, which insurance company provides cheapest Saral Jeevan Bima policy, and from where you should buy the Saral Jeevan Bima policy. That video will be very beneficial, and within a day or two I will make that video and upload on this my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot and keep watching Insurance Decoder.